Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Real West Kid, the Real West Kid in town. And right about now guys, I'm at my workplace and I have come to see the progress of work. As you can see, we have different projects that are run here, and as an assistant project manager, I have to make sure that everything now is okay. So let's see, just to supervise and see how things go. So make sure that you subscribe on this channel, like, share, comment, and see how it goes. Yeah, so let me just show you around the things that we are doing as this project progress, and we are doing a good and amazing job. And I'm very lucky actually to be part of this project, and I'm very happy because on the field I tend to get a lot of experience. So guys, right here they are building a septic. Nakuja kurecord project. Naendelea aje? Mko fiti? Naona hii ni kamera.
Ni mbaya.
Ni hatari bwana. Hii.
Oh, body camera hii ile makarao.
Ile
diama. Wakili wa majua mkifungana yeye. Anachukua kila kitu. Ni jaji tayari hapo nayo. Hizi ni tunapeana pia wako wanafanya makosa. Kwani ume-upgrade aje waje nimeenda mpaka huko kwa nini? Hata si uniform.
Tume-upgrade boss. Tume-upgrade, ati kuna? Ati inakwanga ya nini?
Kusaidia management. Hiyo staff inakuchukuanga ndio umelala. Umelala
hii ni vizuri kwanza ya kuvlog buda. Hii. Na kwanza vile mimi ni content creator. Work in progress.
Anajaribu kutoka kanarudishwa na teke. Nionanga hiyo clip. Wanaanga huruma mpaka anaotilia huruma pale. Wanaanga kama kuni. Watu wanawaka.
Lakini uchawi nayo kama hujaamini haiwezi kushika.
Wewe niambie tunaweza kuroga mzungu. Roga aje mzungu.
Sasa mzungu hawezi mroga jaamini.
Kama hizo ziko.
Ni ukweli, unaona? Iko tu kwa belief system. Unaona? Like the more society
unajua naibanga unakuja na manyuki. Sikatai, lakini sasa unaenda kulala na mtu unapata umeshikanishwa. Umekwama. Hiyo kukwama mimi nimepatana nayo.
Hiyo kitu ni ukweli?
Si ujinga.
Ala.
Tunaendanga neti. Hata nasikianga nini uwezi kusurvive bado. Yes, walikuwa kwa news. Tuliwaona hadi jioni sasa. Wameshikana kabisa. Nini mnafanya hapo nyinyi? Kwanza walikuwa kwa nyumba. Sasa wametoka wamefunikwa na blanketi. Wametoka wamefunikwa na blanketi. Sasa news haitaki tupitia hapo. Na mwalimu hajajua nini inaendelea hapo.
Kitu nilikuja nikasikia hizo vitu zinakuanga scripted ndo kumarket hao waganga.
Lakini bado hiyo si script bwana. Watu walikuwa wameshikana kabisa. Niaibike hivyo vyote script.
Imagine. Na hizo ma clips hadi ziko online bwana. Napata ati wase wamegwama.
Unajua askari walisema walikuwa wanapeana statement. Walijaribu kuwatuanisha, wakaona watavunja mfumo. Wakaachana na wao. So askari wakaita daktari akuje elezee shida ni gani. Daktari akakuja akasema hii kitu ina happen. Baada hiyo yeye maliza wana hawa. Wamekaa siku 2. Wamekuwa kingojeo mama arudi. Sisi tunaenda mwalimu wako pitia nini huko kosea. Amesema msikojoe pale. Wote nini inaendelea hapo? Lazima mzike. Tunafika tunapata watu wamekwama sambamba. Dem hata hataki kuonekana uso, ameficha kwa chest juu mrefu. Sasa huyu jamaa ndio hawezi jificha.
Kwani hiyo story ni ukweli?
Ilikuwa baadaye ilikuwa diko news.
Unajua mimi kitu chenye najua ni dogi ndio huwa zinagwama.
Bwana. Dogi huwa inakuwa. Lakini tulikuwa tunaambiwa hata watu wanaweza kuwa.
Sasa unagwama aje? What is the biology ama physics behind?
Kwa hata nusu hivi kidogo. Unamwambia wali mimi nimeshindwa kutoka. Wewe ni hivyo bwana. Toka nilikuwa nimeenda
aje. Ai, haisiki uchungu. Sometimes was nasikia uchungu, nasikia inabweka.
Inabweka. Waje hivi Ruto tu kidogo na huo mwenye inapiga. Wanapiganga paka wanagonga wanataka kutuanisha. Sasa hawezi tuanisha. Hiyo spam hiyo ndio itatoka.
Ni kama mwanaume ndio huwa ina lock.
Dem vile imeingia. Unajua kuna spikes. Spikes zinaamka. Sasa haiwezi toka.
Spikes gani?
Iko na 2 spikes. Inaweza bengo.
Nikaa bengo mbili. Kuna ile ya nyuma na kuna ile katikati. Sasa ile katikati tunatolewanga kama wataki nini. Zalishe. Sasa hiyo ndio nini inakuwa ndani spam. Kabla spam sasa iishe. Inawe imefura hivi.
Imefura.
By the way. By the way.
Huyu mwanamke akiamua tu asonge hivi.
Nice.
Kika binadamu watu wataangaliana. Sasa ni wameangalia ibada.
Sasa huyu anavuruta. Huyu anavuruta, huyu anavuruta pande hii.
Mama ndio anasaidikanga. Ni mmoja. Ruto akienda tena anaenda Isiolo leo. Baadhi analipwa hiyo siku ya mahindi. Anaenda huko kuuza mahindi.
Niliona.
Wewe anapewango hiyo pesa akiwa ameambiwa rudisha haraka. Sasa ndio watu ilifika mahali wakanoti. Huyu madhi anakuwa kila mahali kwani.
Miki
mtu mmoja alizumu uso yake. Akaona huyu madhi hata anaishi.
Kitu niliona ya kwanza ilikuwa kwa hoteli, si ndio?
Kwanza alipewa akiwa kwa hoteli. Kuna nyingine tena alikuwa anauza mahindi.
Kingine anauza mahindi.
Pesa yeye ndio anapeangwa tu. Naruto. Anapeangwa tu amerudisha. Anapeangwa yeye. Urudishe jioni. Hapo ni. Hii ni kuonesha vile anasaidia watu huko nje. Hapo ni.
So guys, right here we tried to do some landscaping, planting grass here. As you can see, we also have some trees that I want to check out. Like this one is bent. I don't know how can it be straight, but maybe we need to support them with another stick. We tie it so that it can grow straight. But they are doing good. As you can see, this one also, it's doing nice. Yeah, but we need to support them with some sticks. As you can see, this one is bending. It also needs to be supported so that it can grow straight. Yeah. So guys, I'm very proud to be part of this project, just to manage and see everything growing nice. So here also we tried to plant some grass so that it can be green on top of this, but it's still yet to germinate well. But we will try and do some irrigation so that the grass can get water to grow. Yeah, as you can see on the other side we did landscaping. We also planted grass. It was just a field. We levelized the ground and the soil, and we planted some grass, and also you can see, yes. So here we want grass to be all over with these trees. They need to be straight. I will have to look for a means in which we can use the sticks to tie so that the tree can grow straight without bending. Yes guys, so this is where I normally work, and I just came here to see the progress. Yeah, as you can see, everything is looking nice and beautiful in this project. Yes, so like as you can see here, we have some grass that is already grown. We want this place to look beautiful, green as this area. We also want that one to grow so that it can look beautiful. Yes, and everything is nice guys, everything is nice and beautiful. Yes. That is our dog right there. Joe. Blackie, how are you? Come and say hi to my camera. What are you eating, Blackie? How are you? What are you eating, Blackie? You are eating grass. Woi. Is it for medicine or what? Guys, this is making me wonder like what's really happening. The dog is eating grass here. I don't understand. Is it for medicine or what? Huh? Is it? You can tell us on the comment section. When a dog eats grass, what does it mean? Joe. Mr. Nicholas. So nikuulize, hizi miti si inafaa kufunga tu na vijiti? Upepo? Sasa zote tu ama zenye zimebendi peke yake? Zenye zimebendi tu. Oh, peke yake? Oh. Hiyo iko fine. Kwa nadhani zote. Oh. Hizo sukuma ushaeka kwa seedbed? Hiyo itatake kama kitu, inatakingi 1 month ama 2 weeks kumea? Hapo hivyo. Ndio kitu. Zitakuwa zimemea.
Mchanga ingekuwa tu at least nini soft kama hii. Ninge broadcast tu hivi. Alafu sasa natoa tu zenye ziko karibu ni transfer mali pengine.
Hiyo iko fine kabisa.
Sikuwa nataka hii hivi mvua itarudi. Nipate kama mbegu haijakuwa ready. Ndio maji pia iko mingi.
Maji hiyo si shida. So guys, we have a seed bed here for kales, that is sukuma wiki. We want to at least have some vegetables here. It will be like a small garden, yeah, for vegetables. So we are being told that it will take almost like a month for them to germinate. As you can see, we have a small seed bed here that is already planted. Yeah, so everything is amazing, and let's see how it will go. Yes guys, so make sure that you subscribe on this channel, like, share, comment, because actually this is the first video that I'm recording with a body camera, and I want just to see how it will work out. So what I will do is that after recording or shooting these videos, I'll have to edit them, and they'll find themselves in this channel. So make sure that you subscribe, because I'm actually learning how to use this camera vlogging so that I can be the best. Yeah, and I believe with the time we will be able to achieve these things. So make sure that you subscribe, like, share, and comment. So the grass that we planted has already started germinating, and they are doing well. So we just need some few rain to make sure that they do not dry. And also we normally irrigate or when there is a dry season, so that it can grow. But right now the soil is nice, it has water, and what we will just have to irrigate today is that the recent grass that we planted there, and that is the one that we will have to irrigate. Yes. So right now I'm going to see the pump. I want to pump some water that will be used in the evening to pump for irrigation, because we want that grass to actually grow. Yes. So guys, we are still having some work that will go on here. As you can see, the progress is going on. We're still having some electrical installations, pipings, water pipes, and also gas cables, as you can see. So we still have a lot of work in here that will go. So this is normally where we come to this is the control system where we pump water using the solar. So I just want to start it so that it can pump. Yeah, this is our main water pumping control system, whereby for me to start pumping water, I have to come and put it on. Yes, put it on so that it can start now pumping. Yeah, for water to go into the tanks. I will show you, so make sure that you follow me. Yeah, so after that you will have to press this button here. It's known as run, and actually when we go to the pump or the tank, we will see water pumping. Let's go and check. Yes, let's go and check the tank and see if it's pumping. Pole sana no comment, so komenda. Otulia kwanza wapi merada? Naulira baho ita. Tahuwa kaza content creation sasa umanyire. Huwa kaza alafu hu practice as a communication skills. Nyene inje tahu manyange ndoma. early preparation was ili in future hata communication iva easy. Sawa sawa mwana. Ndisa sahi ndisa sivi shughuli ya kazi neno. Ngawaja sevilivi kata na hachanga za hucheka progress vindunge vi. So it's on the rooftop. The tanks are on the rooftop. I'm coming to pump this water because it will be used for irrigation. We want to irrigate the grass. I have seen it needs some water, and that's why it's very important that we pump that water when the sun is still on. We actually use solar to pump. That's why today it's sunny and the water will be nice to be used. So we are on the rooftop. Yes, this is the rooftop, guys. We have a tank here. We also have another tank there. So I don't know if you can hear the sound it's pumping. Yeah, let me climb here and show you. As you can see, water is being pumped. Nice. So we also have a sensor here that yes guys, so that sensor, it helps when the water level reaches at that sensor, the pumping will have to stop to avoid for it to continue pumping. When water is full, it can pour down. Yes, so that is it, guys. As you can see, this one is also pumping. You can hear the sound. Yes, so that one is called technology. Yes, so far so good, guys. As you all know, I'm vlogging using this camera for the first time, the body camera, and I just want to see how effective it is. And this one may be my first video to be uploaded on YouTube, vlogging using this camera. I want to see the quality and also the battery. Actually, like right now I have been vlogging for almost 30 minutes and I can see the battery is almost a quarter used. So which means it's a good battery and it can last. It can vlog for almost an hour. And my intention is to make videos between 30 minutes to an hour. So if it can last me for that period recording, then I'm good with it. Yes, so far so good. I think it can last because I can see it's just remaining full, and we are proceeding. So the next thing I'll have to do about those trees, then I think it's a small work. We cannot look for someone to do it, but I will have to do it by myself because it's just some few trees that are bent, and that one I can be able to do it. So I'll have just to look for some sticks so that we do what? I tie them. They go straight. Yeah. So guys, right about now I'm preparing some sticks that will be used to tie the trees that are bent straight, and I'm just sharpening them at the bottom so that it can be easy for them to enter the soil so that they can stand straight. My sticks are here, so I'll have to, as you can see, the trees are here, so I'll have to look for trees that are bending, like for example this one. Let me show you. Like this one, as you can see, it's bending, it's not growing straight. Like this one, even this one, even this one. So I'll have to do something like this, then look for something to tie like that, isn't it? Like that. So let me look for something like used papers like these ones, or something like threads that I can use to tie, so that I can finish this work and go do my things. So guys, we are coming live from Africa, Kenya, somewhere known as Kajiado County, whereby we have this kind of a project of building a hospital, and this is where I'm currently working. So I'll have to get some of them so that we can see if it works or not. Let's start with this one. I don't know if it will work. I don't know if it will work. For example, I do this. I do this. So that I can tie it here. So guys, let me do the job, then we will meet later after I finish. I'll show you the progress. Yeah, as you can see, this one is now standing straight. Nice, something like that. Something like, let's go to the next. Guys, as you can see, all the trees that had bent are now standing straight, so that they can now grow well. Yes, I've finished finally. The rest that are still standing straight, let them be. As you can see, they had bent. So now I've finished the work that I was doing. Let me now go and have some lunch. Yeah. Bata hiyo ilikuwa kazi kidogo. Nimenini tu zile zenye zilikuwa zimekunjika peke yake. Chata niende lunch. Tarudi kushughulikia hizi nyasi. That is it, my people. I think the work of the day are finished. I just wanted to come and see if everything is going well. So it's time I'm going for lunch, so that I will come back later to make sure that irrigation of those grass goes on well. So let me go and store this panga so that you can go for lunch. I think my boss is already here. She has arrived. Yo. This is where we want now to put a tarmac road, whereby the other side will be the parking lot and this one will be the main road. It will come straight from the gate to the other side. So we want just the rain season to stop, then we finish up this project of building the road. Yo. Hizo zenye zilikuwa zimebend ndo nimefunga. Hizo zingine pia zikibend tutazifunga tu. Nice. So guys, it is what it is. As you can see, I'm now getting out and I'm very happy because I'm vlogging for the first time using a GoPro camera. I can say like that. This has been my dream and I just want to be perfect in vlogging. I'm learning day by day, and I'm sure with the time I'll have to improve. Yeah, so right now I just finished my work that I had come to check. I just wanted to see the progress so that I can give a report. As you saw, my boss had already come and I just told her about the progress of the trees. So it has not been that much work. I already finished, and actually guys, I'm happy because this camera, I thought maybe it would be fake, huh? I thought maybe it will be fake. It will not serve the purpose that I want, but actually it's serving because I started vlogging long time ago. I think the video is going to almost an hour, but the battery has not even reached half of it. Yeah, what does it mean? It simply means that it works very well and it's doing nice. So the battery still is full and it works nice. Yeah. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment. Tell me anything that you think about this video. Actually, this is kind of my daily life. When I'm not in school, that is what this is where I normally come to do some 1, 2, 3 things. And from May, I'm planning to go for attachment, and the second attachment, actually my course requires that I do 2 attachments. And actually I want to talk to the project manager so that she can give me a permission to continue with my attachment in this project, so that I can learn a lot of things revolving around managing workers, all the things that requires project management. This is what actually I want to do, and I'm very happy. So right now I'm going to have some lunch. I didn't have time to cook in my house, but I will just go to buy in a local kibandaski. It will not cost that much, but I believe, like, when I go there I'll see the prices, and then I will check how they will be. So let's meet there. Let's meet. You know guys, something funny is that I'm not used to vlogging on the road. I'm trying guys, I'm trying to learn. You know, like sometimes I can be talking about something, then when a person passes by me, I feel shy and the words get lost. But I'm trying to see how I can get used to it. Yeah. I'm trying to see how I can get used to it, because it's not easy, but I'm sure I'll be able to do it. So let's go have some lunch and let's meet there and see how it goes. Huh? So wanafunzi wamesota, tutatoa wapi pesa za kulipa nguo shwali? Kwa laundry. By the laundry iko cheap kuliko mama fua. Sasa nyinyi mnataka 800? Nyinyi mnataka Imagine laundry ni cheap kuliko mama fua. Lakini hadi mimi mwenyewe najifulia. Mimi sikuangi na manguo mingi uje. Sasa hata mimi kama ni nguo 6 sasa nitakulipa pesa ngapi? Ni send money?
Wewe sema namba. Wewe, Alima. Mama baba. Ona. Sema namba. Namba. Nisome namba.
Wewe
namba kabisa.
Masikio ilienda, nilipigwa nikaenda.
Ulipigwa na nani?
Baba yenu ndiye alikuwa ananipiga masikio.
Oh, pole.
Naona mnafungua.
07
06 29 48 55. Kwambia huyo baba yenu.
Ama ulikuwa unamsumbua?
Nilikuwa namsumbua, nilikuwa tumsumbua.
Anaweza kupiga bure kweli?
Kupigwa masikio ulikuwa unasumbua.
Mtu mzuri sana.
20. Haya. Sawa. Haya. Yes, that is it, guys. So I just found her there sleeping, and she said she's hungry, and right there they were selling some snacks. So I saw, just to be kind, because I have something small, not that much, I bought for her so that she can have, although it's not enough, but that is what I was able to offer to her. Yeah. So guys, you won't believe that these areas are in Nairobi. But you can see this is a river right there. Yeah. It looks like a village. This place is actually looks like a village. The reason I came to live in these sides is due to job. I didn't want to stay too far from where I work, because I didn't want to spend a lot of transport moving here and there to and fro the job. That's why I came and lived these sides. Yeah. So right now we are headed to the market to have some lunch. So guys, you can imagine, at least right now it's easy for me to vlog using this camera. As I walk on the road, I used to find it difficult vlogging with a phone, of which it was not good for me. Yes, but now this camera will make sure that I record very much. See the view. You can see the view. It's looking nice and beautiful. Everything is green. You won't believe that this is Kajiado County, guys. You won't believe how green it is. Though right now it's a rainy season and we have a lot of vegetation. Look at that view. This is how it looks like. Just like a village, but it's not. Yeah, actually, let me just call it a semi-urban area. So when we come to this side, we are now coming to residential areas where now people are around. So this area is known as Gataka GCT. It's still a developing area, not yet that developed, but it's in the process. This is due to students that live here, especially from Cooperative University and Catholic University of East Africa students, where I study. So it's developing slowly due to those campuses. Let me show you how it looks like. You can see the view right in ghetto. So this is the market, and this is how it looks like in Kajiado County, Gataka, or call it GCT. Kuna madogoi? There. Side. So let's wait for food.
Vidokezo vya habari za Radio 47.
So guys, as I go back, thank you for watching the video. Make sure that you like, share, comment, subscribe if you are newcomers, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye, and this is the end.